In this video, we are going to show you various methods on how you can load paper and envelopes into your business inkjet WG7000 series. Let's start with the basic method of loading paper into the paper drawer. Open the paper drawer fully and adjust these paper guides to the size of the paper that you would like to use. Today, we're using A3 paper, so we've adjusted the guides for that. Next, load your blank paper with the side you wish to be printed facing down. Slide the paper drawer back in. If you would like to use the multi-purpose tray for printing, simply open the cover and extend this paper hold support. This tray also has handy paper guides to adjust to fit the size of the paper that you wish to print on. Slide them into place accordingly. Load your blank paper with the side that you want printed facing down. Another handy function of your machine is the ability to print envelopes. Let's try that using paper drawer number 1. Open the first drawer and adjust the paper guides according to the size of your envelope. Load the envelope with the print side facing down. On the operations panel, you may be asked to change the paper type and select the size of the paper that you are using. Once you've made your selection, press Apply. Easy! Now you know how to load paper and envelopes using both the paper drawer or the multi-purpose tray on your WG7000 series.